Hello students. So today in class 9 in subject biology we are going to continue with chapter number 3 tissue. Last time we have discussed meristematic tissue in detail. Now we have to start with the second type of plant tissue, which is permanent tissue. So here on the screen you can see permanent tissue is mentioned. It is having three types. First, protective tissue, second, supporting tissue, and third, conducting tissue. So these are the three different types of permanent tissue. Let's see their division. Okay? So protective tissue, its function is to protect the plant. That means it is present as the covering of the plant. So here we are having epidermis. In today's class, I am going to show you the slide of epidermis. So this is the outer covering of plant. So here this is a slide of epidermis of leaf. So all these irregular cells, they are of epidermis. They are present in the covering of the leaf. And in between you can see dark oval structures are there. Those are stomata present in the epidermis. Right? So with this, epidermis is clear. In next video, epidermis of onion cell is shown under the microscope. So you can see these are the cells of epidermis of onion. So these are rectangular in shape, almost rectangular. In supporting tissue, so this tissue supports the plant. It stores the food, it provides strength. Mechanical support is also there because of this tissue. This is further divided into three types. So we have parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. So these are the three different types of supporting tissue which are present in the plants. Parenchyma. So what is special about parenchyma? So these are living cells. Usually they store the food, right? If we talk about their structure, their cell wall is very thin. And these cells are compactly packed without any intercellular space. Then comes collenchyma. So these are the cells whose walls are thick at the corner. That means cell wall is thick at the corner. So in collenchyma, cell wall is thick at the corner. So usually in these cells, photosynthesis occur. This is present just below the epidermis. Next we have sclerenchyma, in which the cells have thick cell wall. And these cells are dead cells. They always provide support to the plant. They always provide mechanical strength to the plant. These are of further two types: sclerenchyma fibers and sclerids. Sclerids are also known as stone cells. Right? When you eat pear or apple, the grittiness inside that fruit is due to the stone cell. So which is a part of sclerenchyma. So with this, supporting tissue is completed. I'm going to show you the slides of all these three also. So here is a slide of transfer section of stem. You can view here different type of supporting tissues. Then come third type of permanent tissue, which is known as conducting tissue. So from its name, it is very clear. Conducting, that means they are transporting something. So in conducting tissue, we have xylem and phloem. In previous classes, you have already read about xylem. It conducts water from roots to different parts of the plant. And what about phloem? It conducts food prepared in the leaves to different part of the plant. Right? So in 9th class, difference between xylem and phloem can be there. So on various aspects, we have to give the difference between both. Let's see the further type of cell which are present in xylem and phloem. So look here. Xylem consists of 4 type of cells. Their name is given. First is vessel, then tracheid, then xylem fiber, and then xylem parenchyma. So these are the 4 type of cells which work together and they form xylem tissue. And similarly, in phloem tissue, again we have 4 type of cells: sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fiber. Here, same, all the 4 type of cells, they work together and they help in the transportation of food, right? So from book, we are going to read in detail function of vessel, tracheid, fiber and parenchyma, and also sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, phloem fiber. So in this slide, you can view phloem and xylem tissue. Observe the slide carefully. So with this, plant tissue ends. We'll start animal tissue next.